Today we're showing you how to inseminate at home with cryogenically frozen donor sperm and Mosie. In this video, we'll be demonstrating with both IUI vials, pictured on the left, and ICI vials, pictured on the right. Let's start with the ICI vial. Once your vial is thawed, per your cryobank's instruction, simply open the vial and slowly pour it into the Mosie cup, just like this. For IUI vials, you'll do the same, but since you have less liquid to work with, it's important to aim for the center of the cup. Once your sample is in the cup, simply insert your closed Mosie syringe and slowly draw up the liquid. We suggest pushing and pulling Mosie a few times before doing this to get used to the feeling. This process is the same for both vial types. Here's how each type will look in the syringe. Once your syringe is full and your cup is empty, insert Mosie up to its handles and push to expel the liquid. You can push at the speed that's most comfortable for you. Mosie is designed to be the optimal length, and the handles serve as a guide for how deep to insert. Mosie will then spray the cervix. Next, stay laying down for 15 minutes and that's it. We're rooting for you!